Hey boys and girls, today for math we are doing our mid-chapter checkpoint. You're going to find that on page 591. Page 591 of your Go Math book. Please make sure that you pause the video and get there. At the first part, first of all, we are going to put our name and our number on our paper. Okay? We have our vocabulary at the top. We're going to work this vocabulary section together. It says our vocabulary words are AM, minute, PM. Choose the best term for the box. Number 1. In one blank, the minute hand moves from one mark to the next on a clock. So if it's moving from one of these little marks to the next little mark, we call that a minute. In 1 minute. Number 2, the times afternoon and before midnight are written with, so afternoon, so around lunchtime, like when we go to recess, all the way to midnight. Is that AM or PM? Good, it is PM. Okay, we're going to go over the directions for the rest of this page here. Our concepts and skills. Write the time for the activity. Use AM or PM. So they give us an activity in number 3, 4, 5, and 6. You need to write the time. So you're going to look at the clock, tell me what time is it, and you're also going to use AM or PM. Thinking, when does this happen? Does it happen from midnight till noon, our AM, or does it happen from noon to midnight, our PM time? Then we're going to find the elapsed time. If you start at 10:05 and end at 10:50. How are you going to get there? You're at 10:05 and you need to get to 10:50. Use your number line to find your answer. We start at 5:30 and we end at 5:49. Make a number line to get there once again. Find the starting time or ending time. Here we're finding our starting time. Our elapsed time is 50 minutes. Our ending time is 9:05. So we have to start at 9:05. We have to go back 50 minutes. Remember, break it down into tens. Tens are easy. Starting time is 2:46. Our elapsed time is 15 minutes. Ending time. So if we're at 2:46 and we go another 15 minutes, you can draw a number line. Start at 2:46 and you're going to jump 15 minutes to find your answer. On the back side, number 11. Veronica started walking to school at 7:45 a.m. She arrived at school 23 minutes later. At what time did Veronica arrive? Make your number line. She's at 7:45. You want to take jumps for 23 more minutes. Remember, break it apart. Tens and ones. Number 12. The clock shows the time the art class ends. At what time does it end? If the class started 37 minutes before the time shown, at what time did the class start? So number line. First, to get this end time, you have to find the time on the clock. Write that time here, and then you need to jump back 37 minutes. Think 3 tens, 7 ones. Matt went to his friend's house. He arrived at 5:10 p.m. He left at 5:37 p.m. How long was Matt at his friend's house? Okay, so if he was at 5:10, how much does he have to jump forward to get to 37? Brenda's train leaves at 7:30 a.m. She needs to arrive 10 minutes early to buy her ticket. It takes her 20 minutes to get to the train station. At what time should Brenda leave her house? So we're going to work backwards. Her train's leaving at 7:30. But we need to jump the 10 minutes it takes her that she has to arrive early to buy her ticket. And then the 20. You may want to do that in 2 jumps of 10. Then number 15. Write the time you go home from school. Think about what time does our bell ring, boys and girls. You're going to write it right there. Okay, when you are done with that, I want you to tear that right out and put that in your folder to come back to me to be graded, okay? So mid-chapter checkpoints. That's all you have to do today is work through those. I know some of those finding starting times, end times, using our number line can be a bit confusing. Just break it down and take it slow. Good job, boys and girls.